case, that one in a blue t-shirt is a lady. I can't believe ladies also are working on a construction site, and they're doing it better, guys. Can't believe this. That means the saying that what a man can do, a woman can do, is very true. They are working really hard to put food on to be able to put food on the table, guys. Yeah.
Oh, hey guys, welcome to the channel. Thank you for always coming back to the video and just here. Kindly consider subscribing, share this video, like this video, guys. I'm here at the Nyabuhanse construction site. A very young entrepreneur. So he's going to be taking us around the construction site and show us the construction. You know, we did a video some time back, but today there is a very big, huge transformation going on. So we'll be getting him there and then we'll show us. Yeah. The most hardworking man in Nyabuhanse. Yes.
Hello guys. We thank you for your support. Continue supporting our channel, and God will bless you abundantly. She's a wonderful lady. She's with us at the construction site, and we are really happy to be with her. Continue subscribing to her channel. God bless you abundantly.
Thank you, Daddy.
Amen.
Yeah.
Karibu mama.
Wow.
We have both hands.
So, can we pick the junior? There's too much sand here, piled here, and this is the sand that is going to be used for constructing, and also the iron sheets there. They are there to show that there's a construction taking place. Also, guys, there is that post there, right there. Before you have that, you can set up a construction site in this village. Actually, in Africa, all of Africa, you must have that. Project, developer, architecture, engineer, constructor approval. So your site has to, your proposal to construct has to be approved before you can start the constructing. Yes? So this sand, actually here they only use one type of sand, whereas back in Uganda you have to use two sides, the lake sand and the ground sand. So this is what we are seeing here. So let's go and see. Those big stones right there, they're going to be used they are part of they're going to be using them for construction. There are so many other stones here. So let me show you guys more about this beautiful project. There are a lot of things here, you know, for construction. They are part of the construction project. Let me know, guys, what do they use this one for? This is an iron bar, but you see how it is. Let me know in the comment box where they put this one and how they are used. We also have this one. They are all new to me, guys. It's my first time to. Okay, I know the iron bars, but I didn't know they can be connected like this, and I don't know where they are going to put them exactly. So this is what is here for now. We also.
So guys, before taking you to the site, let me first take you to the neighboring area of this beautiful building, the Multi-Millionaire Store. So this is a shop. They're making, they're welding doors, windows from here, and this is the machine they use to do that. That's a tape measure right there, guys, in yellow color. So this is basically what they're doing here around the building. These are the activities taking place around here. When we go this side, we see this is they say, guys, this is another building right at the construction site, and there are a lot of farms behind this building. Let's go there and check them out. Especially they grow their carrots. Carrots, guys, is kumawiki, in case you don't know. We also have yams. As you can see, yams are right here and they're growing well, guys. This place is wet. It's like a wetland, and that's why carrots is looking so healthy here, whereas in other places, because of the sun is too much, it's shining heavy here, so it's a little like not too healthy like this one, guys. So this is the neighborhood basically of this multimillionaire building that David Jr. is putting in place. This is also another kind of carrots. I think this is a seed bed, because you see there are so many packed up together, so I believe this is a seed bed. And let me know in the comment box, because carrots is not planted like this basically, so probably they're going to get them out of here and replant them. So let me know in the comment box. Let me know in the comment box if this is the way carrots is planted, as already first prepare a seed bed for it. Let me know, guys. This one here looks like okra, guys. I think for those who don't know okra, let me know in the comment box. We also have a lot of yams here, guys, especially in the wetlands here in Africa. Yams can be so many. They grow by themselves, some of them, because of the place is waterlogged.
I'm going to show you the transformation of the Virginia's construction site. Guys, as you know, is a very young man trying to transform his life, trying to do amazing work in this village, Nyabuhanse. So we're going to head there and see exactly what is, the work he's doing. At the Virginia's construction site, he just left. He went to refill his car and he'll be coming back. But it's around 5:30 p.m. So I just feel like I should show you a little bit of the transformation of this place. This is how it looks like so far. And as you can see, this is one room. This is a borehole where water is collected. This is how it looks, guys. And yeah, this is how it is. They have to put this timber so that nobody falls inside.
The water that is collected from this well is used for construction here on the site.
Yeah, this is how it is. And this hardcore they put down in the foundation. Yeah. So guys, this is the progress so far. So far, so good. Everything is going on well, and actually the house starts from right there. Let me show you. Right here, the Virginia's construction site, and it goes back to the other side. So this is how it is. Guys, these are the pillars. As you can see, they are all over the building, and they're the ones going to support the building up. And this is going to be the first floor. So when we see here, we see one room, two rooms. All these places that are covered with stone are going to be rooms. And guys, you see, this is a very cute room. They have left a space here, and this is going to be a stair climbing up to the first floor. And there's also another stair that is going to be here, right here, guys. So they'll be moving like this, up. Yeah. As you see, this is how they have drawn it, showing the sign of stair. There will be a stair going upwards, taking you upwards into to the first floor. Yeah. So we also have this room here. There are so many of them, guys. Yeah. So guys, when we come and stand here, this is a borehole. And from here, like from that way, coming to this way, from here up to the other side, these are shops, and this is gonna be a corridor, you know, a corridor where people will be passing, going to their rooms, because those are going to be rooms, and also these are going to be rooms where people will be able to rent and sleep. From up to that side, so this is a corridor, and this is how actually they make it. As you can see, they've already covered it with the soil. And let me know in your country if you really do build commercial buildings like this. Leave a comment in the comment box. But this is how it is so far. Yeah, this is the corridor up to the other end, the extreme end. Yeah, that's like this. It's gonna be a corridor, and these are going to be rooms. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 rooms, 5 so far. So this side we shall be having 1, 2. Yeah, this is a stair. This is also a stair. So 3, 4. Yeah, that's how it's going to be. And these are pillars, like I told you. These are pillars that are going to be protecting the building as we construct it. So you see these stones, these are hardcore. They give a house a very strong foundation. It can't just fall like that. So it is going to be very, very strong. Yeah. That is it so far, guys. And yeah, that is what is going on. So this is a small outlet where people normally come out from. It's already closed because it's late. The workers, all of them have left. So people move, enter from here. Sometimes they also move out from there. But there's also another big entrance there. It's also closed already. Let me show you where it is. It's right here. This is the outlet, and at the same time the main entrance. Right here, it's also closed. Yeah. So far, that is it. All these are materials for building, and yeah, that is how. That is the progress of so far. So good, guys. That is what is going on around here in Nyabuhanse, Kenya. Yeah.
It's around 6 p.m. All the masons have gone home and he's just closing. This is the trip.
So that's how they close it. And yeah, so far.
So guys, I'm going to take you to the most beautiful places here in the village with the beautiful scenery. Guys, let's go.
People here doing a lot of potato harvesting. I think they're going to take them to Nairobi. Yeah, these are all avocado, guys, and they are low. They are not ripe. All these sacks are full of avocado. Yeah. So they collect them from different places and bring them here. Then later they will be like, yeah, that's a mango tree over there. Yeah, let's go. Guys, I want to take you to this place. This is the place. So this place, let me take you and show you how the beautiful scenery of this place. Very, very beautiful. This is corn. This corn, they cut it like this because they want it to dry quickly. The sun will be hitting it directly. So that's why they cut it like that. They put it like that. They cut all the heads and let it to dry. So we have this beautiful house here. Hey, it's very beautiful. And guys, this is a house of tobacco. When you see a house like this in an area, you know that there is tobacco going on here. It's very dark. Look at very, very dark inside. And I even fear to enter. But it's a house of tobacco. Meanwhile, we have a lot of rocks here, guys. Rocks here. Look at that. So the place is actually very beautiful. Kids are collecting firewood, as you can see right here. They are collecting firewood and this is it called. Yeah, that's what is going on basically. So this is a chimney, right? So first of all, when they collect tobacco, what they do? House is used for burning. So they burn tobacco from this house, and the chimney brings out the smoke. And this is the chimney right here. And you see, guys, how it is. When you look up there, you see it's a little dark. The wall that because of the smoke, eh? Yeah. The smoke darkened it. And yeah, let's go and show you. Let me go and show you more of this beautiful place, guys. Let me show you. What's that? We have avocado there. Avocado. They just fall down alone, and anyone who comes just picks and takes it away. Look at that. The tree itself is full of avocado, and they're just falling. And guys, here, yeah, I have this. There's so many avocado here. Look at this. And guys, here, this one in Nairobi, you can buy it at like $50, 50 Kenyan shillings. The smallest 20 Kenyan shillings. But here in the village, they're just here, left to, you know. Look at the kids, guys. They're taking firewood at home. It's in the evening, and I think they're going to be cooking dinner. They're going to cook dinner, guys. Yeah, that's what is going on basically here in the village. I'm carrying a lot of avocados. Let me get back rest them. Then I can proceed and check you around. All these guys, free of charge, just from this beautiful tree. They just fall anyhow. The kids are collecting avocados, and no one is going to arrest them because they are just in the bush, and no one. I mean, here in the village, we have a lot of fruit, a lot of avocados, so no one, you know, pushing you. Just find them down like this, or like a tree like this. You pick the way you want. You don't sell them. They're just for free. Some of them just fall down and get rotten, just like this. Look at this. There are so many I've seen. There even is another one here. There are so many avocados just falling into. We have a beautiful cow. We have a beautiful cow over there. There are cows. There are many. Over there, breaking. Look at them. They look so beautiful. I wonder what they feed on, guys. Guys, you see, here they have it corn like this. So this one was cut down, and you see this is corn, it is still in, but it was cut down to dry, and very soon they just come and collect it. We have, yeah, this cow is actually tied on something there. Let me show you guys how we do it. It is tied here. They tie it here. No one follows it, they just bring it to the bush and tie it here so it will just graze. It will keep rotating until they figure out that maybe the pasture or the don't shoot what I'm talking about because today I have this rock. Let me try and see if I can climb it. Hoish, guys, there are stones here, so you have to be very careful. Otherwise, they can pierce you. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so let me try climbing from here and see if I can go up there and show you the beautiful scenery. How will I manage this, guys? It's very complicated. Now I can't move my legs from here. It's very hard. So let me just pass this side, the other side, and complete the mission. Yeah. I think here is more okay. Here is more better. Yeah. Wow, this is what I wanted. Guys, hey guys, hey my beautiful people. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Kindly subscribe. beautiful. This place is so beautiful. It is beautiful scenery, beautiful environment. Oh my God. Everything is beautiful over here. So let me see if I can try to climb here. Guys, coming down will be a problem. So I better not go up here because I may bang my head. Oh, guys. I have tried. I think I can't go beyond this. Guys, I can't go beyond this. This is enough. Let me know, guys, if you can climb this such a rock. Can you climb it? Let me try. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. Guys, getting down now is gonna be a big problem. So I hope I'll be able to. I'm up here. Ah! The air, fresh air, the beautiful breeze. Wow. I'm just enjoying up here, but I want to go down again. Yeah, because it's getting late. It's getting dark anytime, so I'm gonna try to come down. Just pray for me, guys, because here, I don't know. I hope I will make it. So let me try coming down. Wow, 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 wow. Finally, I've made it. Guys, I've made it. I've made it. I'm happy I've made it. I didn't know it could come from up. I mean, even going down was up was a problem. Coming down, I knew it was going to be a very big problem. But lucky enough, I'm here. I'm here. I can even try another one because there are so many challenges here. That is one challenge. We have another challenge here, but this one is very simple. Anyone can climb on this. This is so beautiful again than the other one. So we have this one. We have so many rocks here. You just want to come take pictures, have a treat or anything. Yeah, this is a place to come and have fun and enjoy, either with family or alone. Guys, look at that! This one looks like an elephant. Look at this, so huge. We are just missing that thing that he goes in front doing like this, but it's exactly like an elephant. So I think I can stop on right here, but this thing is so scary. It's like an elephant, guys. Look at how huge it is. That's exactly how an elephant is, but we are only missing maybe the head. If the other good thing that is like this, it goes like this in front of the, in the face actually. But yeah, of course it should be the other side. But look at this, guys. Very, very huge. Wow, this is an elephant, definitely. The only thing missing is this wing. It goes like this, the front wing. After it is like this. A pure elephant. So guys, I'm here, I'm going to end this video. But actually that is the road up there. I can see a road up there. And I think this place is so beautiful. Everything close to the road. Everything here is beautiful. Yeah. When a place is close to the road, that is a fact. Yeah. That is it in this place, guys. I know. So guys, this is the end of the video. You can see the kids are joining me. They're also enjoying climbing the rocks. Guys, it's fun with the avocado. Did you buy those avocados? You bought them? Who gave you? You just picked from the tree. You see, guys, here in the village, you don't have to buy fruits or avocados. You just, even that other child is climbing there, and this is not their shamba. But you can just, anywhere you go, you can't go hungry. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and kindly consider subscribing, share this video, leave a comment, let me know what you think about this video, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you. Let the kids say